And then these duochromes, I'm almost afraid to even touch this. It's so pretty. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very special first impressions, and it is of the new Pat McGrath Mothership number 5 Bronze Seduction eyeshadow palette. Okay, get into this packaging. It is just so gorgeous. I love it, and it's actually something that I'm gonna save which, you know, at this point in my collecting of makeup, I don't really save packaging, but for this I have to. It's just too precious. It's so beautiful. And this is my very first Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, so this is truly a first impressions of this product. I have been eyeing the other ones forever, but it's really hard for me to go ahead and spend over $100 on a palette, even though I trust Pat McGrath and she's such an incredible makeup artist. If you guys don't know her background, please go on Google and look her up, and then you will understand why the products that she makes cost as much as they do. All right, she can actually make luxury products and charge these prices, and you can feel like, oh my gosh, there must be something special about them, because she is just that trusted and well respected in the industry. So yeah, like I said, I've been eyeing the other ones, but there was just something about this one. The color story was just right. It had those special colors in there that I don't have, and it had colors that I knew that I would get a lot of use out of. So I was like, this is it. This is the one for me. And I was just like waiting anxiously for her to drop it, and I bought it the day that she put it up on her website. So super excited to get into this. And I'm like so nervous because the eyeshadows are described as pigments, so I'm hoping that they're easy to work with. So we're gonna open this baby up. It's so cool, I love it. All right, okay, ta-da! So if you guys are familiar with her palettes, you know that they're this really nice like black lacquered packaging. On the back it just says Mothership 5 on the small label down here. Okay guys, are you ready for this? Let's open this baby up. I don't even know why I did that. You guys have already seen it probably. Yeah, this is just eternal life for me. I freaking love the matte colors. My signature bronze metallic color for the lid. That's my go-to look. And then you have this purple instead of a black to deepen your crease, your outer corners, and then gorgeous ruby color here. Oh my god. And then these duochromes, I'm almost afraid to even touch this. It's so pretty. Let me know in the comments, guys, like if you're like me, where when you buy something so beautiful, like a amazing eyeshadow palette like this one, and you don't use it, you just let it sit in your collection forever because you don't want to ruin it. But you know, we have a job here, don't worry. I am trying this out, and I'll be swatching it as well at the end when I am done with the look. So let's get started. The makeup artist that did the look that I am recreating today is Rebel Beauty X on Instagram. Pat McGrath shared the photo and the steps to this look, so I have all of the info that I will hopefully need to nail it. I want to make sure that I have a nice canvas for these shadows, so I'm just gonna powder my lids with my face powder. I use MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just gonna press that to make sure that that concealer does not move and that I don't have any patchiness going on. The first shade that I'm using is called Entrapment, which is the second one right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color all over the crease. Wow, that's a really intense brown right away. I'm going in with a clean brush to diffuse that brown that we just put down. I'm gonna start building my halo eye with this purple shade down here called Extreme Aubergine. I'm just gonna blend those edges. So far, I'm really liking how the mattes are performing, but we still got a ways to go. And the next color that I am going to apply is this one, the red one down here, called Blitz Flame. So I'm just gonna take that on my fingertip. I'm gonna stamp that in the center of the lid. Next, I'm gonna pop this color right here, which is VR Fire Opal, on the center of the lid. Oh, this is like a glitter. Next, I'm gonna take some of that purple again and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna highlight the inner corner with this rose gold right here. This rose gold is more of a glitter top coat, so this might be good to apply wet, but I'm just trying it dry for now. So that's what it looks like dry. I don't know if you guys can tell since it's just in the inner corner. Really, really pretty, but I think we can make it even shinier and more intense. But I think that would be a beautiful top coat for the red color that we applied in the center. That's gonna be a good look. I have a mini fix plus, so I'm just gonna try and see how the rose gold looks. That's definitely even more intense. Next, I'm gonna apply a black pencil to help intensify that lower lash line color. I'm gonna take some more of that Blitz Flame on a pencil brush and I'm gonna dot that right in the center of the lower lash line. They have like the smallest little pop right there. So I'm just gonna press that and have it like fade out. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I'm gonna use MAC Extended Play Lash on the lower lash line. The stuff does not move. And I like just stamping it right at the root, and that helps add a little extra smokiness. I'm gonna apply some false lashes, do the rest of my face, and meet you right here. My face is on, I got my lashes, so let me know if you guys are living or not. So the makeup artist paired this look with a red lip, but first, for those of you who wouldn't necessarily go with a smoky eye and a bright lip, I'm gonna do a nude. So this is the one that I picked up during the Beauty Insider Appreciation event. This is the Pat McGrath Matte Trance Lipstick in 1995. Here we go. So pretty. Because in my other video, I was already wearing it, so I want to show you guys like with nothing on and then with the lipstick so you guys can see the color really well. It's a really nice nude. It's very interesting. It's almost like powdery looking. You can really see the color. It's a pinky nude on me. That is $19.95. They feel like nothing. It's such an interesting texture because it's completely full coverage, but you don't feel like you're wearing anything. It's like the lightest. It's not even lip balm because I feel like lip balm is cushiony. It's like the lightest liquid, but not in a way where it's liquidy and gonna run off your lip, but that's the only way I can explain the texture. You have to try it, but these are so good. Ugh, such a good color. Now I'm gonna try the red lip, and I'm gonna start with this lip liner from NYX in the color Hot Red. Now it's time for lipstick, and the makeup artist used an orangey red. I'm gonna try this first. This is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Quite the Standout. Let's see if this works. I feel like that's a little too orange. I'm gonna mix it, so I just put a little bit of Quite the Standout on, and then I'm gonna grab a True Red. I'm gonna try this. This is Lady Balls by Too Faced. This one is such a good red. It's a little bit deep. Maybe I should have gone with Fenty. Let me mix that up before it sets. Alright guys, that was the final look, and now I'm gonna tell you what I think about the palette so far. I am super impressed with these eyeshadows, especially the mattes that I tried, because they went on so, it's not even creamy, it just gave you that coverage. It was just rich immediately. You didn't have to build and build and build to get that intensity that you see in the pan, which is a good thing depending on your skill level. Some people, they like to be able to build, but with this it's like right away. So definitely place it carefully where you want the color and then blend the edges out. But just know that this purple especially, it was like, oh my god, it was like immediately just rich color payoff, everything that I love in life. And I just love the dimension that I'm getting from all the shimmers. And I feel like as time has passed, because I went off camera to search for my lash glue and do my face, so it gave the eyeshadow some time to really settle in, and I feel like it almost melted into my eye. Like it has really like settled in and looks lived in and gorgeous and dimensional. So I do really love how it settled into my eye. I'm loving it. So those colors that I tried, definitely A plus. When it comes to the shimmery colors, like this one up here that I use, which is that green shimmer on my lid, that did have some fallout, so definitely keep that in mind. So if you're going to use it, I would definitely do my eyes first and then do my base. So I had fallout with that. And the rose gold right here, it was also pretty shimmery as well. A little bit of a glittery top coat. I thought that these two would be the only glittery ones, but this one was glittery as well. So be careful with those. But overall, I really love it, and I'm gonna do swatches for you guys so you can see all the colors, like me swatching it on my arm. But you know, you can do swatches all day long, but it's all about the performance on the lid when you're applying it. And I personally did like the colors that I use. This is awkward showing it like this, but I did the swatches over an eyeshadow primer, and I used a brush to apply them all, and they applied really, really beautifully. The shimmers, again, I feel like those are the ones that you need to be careful with. Overall, I think the colors are stunning, and I love this palette. So this is definitely a collector's item. If you love Pat McGrath, definitely pick this up if you feel like these are colors that you're gonna wear time and time again. I think the timing of the release is really good because these are very fall friendly colors, something you'll definitely reach for during the holidays. You just have everything you need for a stunning smoky eye with pops of color, with glitter, with the transition colors that you need, that you can also use if you just want to do a straight up matte brown smoky eye, which I have been doing so much this summer. You have the colors that you need right here, and this color up here is a really beautiful highlight for under the brow bone. You could also use it for something very subtle in the inner corner, or as a lid color if you want to keep that bright and then just do the brown on the outer corner and in the crease. So definitely very versatile. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Does this give you life? Did you buy it? Is it on your wish list? this is definitely something very, very special. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave links to everywhere you can follow me down below. You can get this at Sephora. You can get it at the Pat McGrath website. I hope you enjoyed this look and my first impressions. I can't wait to do another look. If there's a shadow that you guys are like dying to see as the star of an eye look, let me know, because I spent a good coin on this, so I definitely want to do another video on it. So let me know down in the comments, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.